not happening. Hi guys, so today I am going to try to achieve a half cut crease kind of thing. I am also going to be answering some questions that some of y'all asked me. I had more questions. I had 2 pages worth of questions, but I accidentally threw away my paper a couple of weeks ago. And if you want to keep watching, keep watching.
Ignore it all. Let me show you how Ignore It All works. It turns this to this. Huh?
So we're gonna get our foundation. We have Revlon Colorstay in the number 450 Mocha. We have this Covergirl Clean Matte in the number 560 in Deep. And if I keep looking over here, it's because I put my mirror over here instead of over here. So on with the questions. Okay, am I single or taken? I am very single. If anybody wants to hit me up, don't. I'm gonna apply all this and I'm gonna get y'all back. I forgot to do my color correct. So I'm gonna put it on top of the foundation because I don't care. What grade am I in? I am in 8th grade. So I basically just put that everywhere. Yeah, I'm not even telling y'all the products I'm using. Toffee and Toast. I'm gonna use Toffee. Jesus. What's my favorite color or food? My favorite food, I don't even have a favorite food. I just love food. But my favorite color is blue. But my favorite meal is pork chops, rice, and creamy corn. That's a broke person's meal, but what do you do when you're bored? Go to sleep, watch TV, overeat. I've been bored the whole summer. Whew. Anyway, I'm a waste of space. What is one word to describe me? Goofy. I would most definitely say I'm goofy. Are we doing eyebrows? Kinda. Wait a minute. I didn't conceal. Did I or did I not? I didn't. I'm just gonna. Oof. And I say this on the highest level of high. I'ma try to do a cut crease. Who's my best friend? I have too many. Now, if I fail to get this look, this video might not be uploaded. So stay tuned. What is my favorite subject? Favorite subject will always be science. I just feel like science is everything. Like, I don't even know where to start. I'm gonna combine it. But first I need a transition color. I really just need more brushes. If somebody wanna donate some to me, I would appreciate you for like. Just gonna apply it all over the lid. What is the craziest thing I've done? I don't know. It's too many crazy things I've done in my life. I don't really know how I'm supposed to pack these colors on. For the whole beauty community, I'm sorry. So I guess I'm just gonna put this in my crease. My biggest fear is one day waking up and like oblivion. Buzz cut. Who is my first love? Food and only food will be my first love. I'll be using this mirror to do this cut crease because I'm so scared and I don't even know if it's gonna work or not, and I might just mess it up, so yeah.
Where am I even supposed to put this? Like,
What is my dream career? My dream career is either to be a neurologist or an actress. What is my favorite childhood memory? I don't have a favorite childhood memory. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you're supposed to pack something on with this. What am I supposed to pack on? I guess you're supposed to pack on like a shimmer. Yep, I'm gonna use sexy. Is not that bad. My eyebrows are not really done. I didn't conceal them either, so. So the finished look is not that bad, you know. This past hour I've been doing makeup, and I hope you enjoyed, and